Hello everyone, it's just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you why I love this O-Cedar H2prO flat mop system. So the first thing is you're going to put clean water and cleaning solution in this tank. And then this is the dirty water tank. The two never intermix. But here's the cool part. You don't have to put any batteries in or anything. But when I push this mop in, we're going to see it squirts water out from the clean water tank onto the mop pad. Now, I can mop with it wet like that, or I could scrape a little bit off. That goes into the dirty water tank. Now, we've got this big muddy mess. Wow, it does a good job of capturing the mud. All right, let's take a look. There's all the mud. Now, let's clean the mop pad. Very simple. You can add a little bit of clean water to it. All right, it's never intermixing. Then I can scrape it off. Add a little bit more clean water to it. I could go back to mopping or scrape it off and do dry mopping now. So here, then the dirty water is always in the dirty water side. The clean water is right here. We're gonna lift it up. There's a little foothold there. Press up. Take this to the sink. You can fill it up with water and your floor cleaning solution. Now, it doesn't hold a whole lot. 44 ounces or 0.4 gallons of water. There's an opening right there. And then see, you take this to the sink and you empty it out right here. All the dirty water is down here now. I can take this apart and show it to you. It's made to come apart for easy cleaning. But if I'm mopping, I'm just going to take it with the handle and empty it out. There's like this mechanism that when you push down the mop, it activates a pump. There's all the dirty water. There's all the dirty water. So that sits there. That sits there. I would want to take the clean water tank off, take this to the sink, and tilt that over, and it'll all pour out there. Okay, I filled my clean water tank up, and now we got a big mess here. So, again, the first thing I'm going to do is put it on its side. I can add some water. I could do really extensive wet mopping here. Wow. Okay, let's say, oh, it's starting to smear. Okay, let's go see, there's the mop. Let's rinse it. Scrape. Rinse. Scrape. Mop's relatively clean. Let's put it back down. Let's go capture some more mud. I can really scrub with this flat mop. All right. There's all the mud. All right, let's go ahead and rinse and scrape. Rinse and scrape. Now I could turn this mop pad like that. Rinse and scrape. Then when I'm done, I can take this off. I can throw this in the laundry. All right, I can clean it even more. I can fill my clean water tank up again, take this over the sink, fill that up. And then when I'm all done, the clean water never intermixes with the dirty water. Take it over to the sink. This is just like a bucket now, and it's gonna pour right out there like that. Pour your dirty water out, and you're ready to go. All right, so as we finish up here, let's say I don't wanna put any clean, say I have a big mess like water. This is really absorbent. Then I can just take it, scrape the water off, and go back and mop up a big mess. I don't have to put clean water on it. I can just mop up water. It's doing a good job. Then scrape off the water. I could even add a little clean water. That's fun. Adding the clean water. Again, no batteries required. It's all with the mechanical by pushing it down. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.